Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to auto highlight the active drawer in Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. At first, open your Excel document. Firstly, then you show the Excel sheet. This document is the auto highlight in the active drawer in Microsoft Excel. Then you can see in firstly select your all borders, the text, and going to the auto highlight the and going to the conditional format option. Now click for the new rules option, then click for the use a formula to date time with cell to format option. Now for click, then click for the format values where this formula is true. Now for click is the bar. Now code press from the equal and write from the raw. Now first bracket, again equal cell, again first bracket. Now keyboard press from the double quotation, again raw, again double quotation and first bracket close. Now choose from the click for the format option. Now click for the fill option, then any choose color. Now click for the OK, then click for the again OK, then auto highlight, then show the highlight color. Then auto highlight is the active raw in click for the sheet on mouse right button and click for the view code option, then show the sheet on code is the salary Excel SX. Click for the show the object from the general. Now for click, then click for the worksheet option, then middle from the right from the target, dot calculate, this bar is the minimize, then show the again office. Now click for the any raw option, then auto highlight. This Microsoft Excel is the auto highlight the active drawer in Microsoft Excel in is very easy in the auto highlight. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.